kapag may problema, tatawagin sa HR. Misconceptions in HR Part 5! HR is only reactive. Parang sinasabi na ang role lang ng isang HR, kapag may problema, tatawagin sa HR. Pero ang tunay na HR, hindi lang yan tagasalo ng issues. They prevent issues before they happen. Dito papasok yung pagiging proactive ng HR. So proactive means may training bago pa man lumala yung performance issues. May wellness programs bago pa man ma-burnout yung team. May career plans bago pa man mag-resign yung mga high performers. Bale sa HR, prevention is better than cure. Di sila yung palaging pang-emergency lang. Dapat kasama sila sa planning, sa strategy, at sa growth mo bilang isang empleyado. Think of HR as the immune system of the company. Tahimik lang, pero critical. Kapag proactive yung HR nyo, be thankful kasi alam mong mas protected ka at alam mong mas masaya at mas maganda ang culture sa workplace nyo. Yun lang, bye!